Hello, students. This is Miss Froberg. I hope you're doing well, and I hope you're looking forward to a good weekend. Right now, I'm just on here on our Canvas page, and for those of you that have not accessed our quiz yet, I wanted to walk you through some steps on how to access the quiz if you have not done so already. Maybe you were absent yesterday, maybe you didn't see our recording of class yesterday. Perfectly okay. Continue to watch this video if you want to see how to access the quiz. Now this is a home screen for Canvas. This is for my second period class. Regardless of which class you're in, it's going to look the same. So everyone's class looks the same. What I really want you to pay attention to are these links over on the left-hand side of the page. Now you notice the home page, which is the page we're currently on. You can check your grades if you click that. And then I want you to look down to this quizzes link. Go ahead and click that. And then it will pop up Map Skills Assessment. Once you click that, this should pop up. It'll tell you when it's due, which it says September 24th, but you're perfectly okay to complete it until Monday. So this is September 28th, so you have some time, right? And you get, if you notice, you get 2 attempts. So maybe you take it once and you're like, I'm not really happy with my score. You're completely welcome to take it again. So then once you're ready, you feel like you're ready, maybe you have your notebook next to you, you're going to click Take the Quiz. And then buttons will pop up. It does randomize the buttons. This is just one of the questions. I'm not going to give away any of the answers, but you'll notice that there are these play buttons here. I have previously recorded all of the questions and answers if you would like the quiz to be read to you. So you would just click this. The United States is in the blank and blank hemispheres. So in this one, obviously, we would be looking for 2 answers, so you can see southern and western, southern and eastern, northern and eastern, and northern and western. You would then click whichever answer you think is correct, and then click the next button, and click through the quiz that way. When you're completely finished, you will click Submit Quiz, and then you will be all set. If you choose to take the quiz again, it will ask you if you want to take the quiz again. If not, you're all set for the weekend. We will see you next week. If you have issues, please feel free to email me or please stop by. I highly encourage, if you don't do as well as you wanted to on this quiz, come to my office hours on Monday. They're at 10 a.m., from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., and then again at 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Email me with any questions. Have a good weekend.